In this video, I'll show you how to use Jellyfin. Firstly, visit the Jellyfin download page and choose the installation method for your platform, Windows, macOS, Linux, Docker, etc. Follow the instructions specifically to your operating system to install and ensure the Jellyfish service is running after installation. Open the web browser and navigate to server IP 2.80.96. Adjust the default settings to align with your desired privacy and functionality, and refer to Jellyfish documentation for guidance. Now, follow the prompts to configure your server, add libraries for your media files, and create the first user with the username and password. Additional libraries and users can be added later from the dashboard. Now all you have to do is to secure your Jellyfin server and access Jellyfin via your web browser or download the Jellyfin client apps for mobile and TV platforms. And that's it, guys.